Guys, it's Kayla with another video. We are going to be exploring, what's it called, Anita?
Kingsbury?
What?
Kingsbury.
Kingsbury. She has all the keys because she's lit. But yeah, we'll get back to you when we are leaving my house. We left my house a while ago. We went to Brew Bikers.
Yep. Grabbed a coffee.
Yeah, we grabbed a coffee, stayed there for about, what, an hour?
I don't know, like
half hour.
40 minutes.
Yeah, we are on a trail.
I don't want this jogger to catch us, but like move to like the right.
Alright, now we're on our way to go see this place, and I will get to you guys
Okay, hurry up.
when we get there.
Right.
If you guys can see that blue building right there, that's the building. That one. Right there. So we are officially in. I just slipped and fell on my ass, and it hurt really fucking bad. But yeah, Ava and Patience are now getting in. I'm filming right now, and yeah. I wish I got in that way instead of fucking. Just leave it right there. And yeah. So we're in. I had to climb under a fence. Get in. So yeah. Come on.
Oh, this is the fucking start of every scary movie, and I just...
Oh my god. It's also the start of every good YouTube video. Shit. Your ass is too big. Come on.
I can't, I'm joking.
Come on. Yeah, found a fucking animal with like a fort or some shit. Okay, so we're in here and we have someone put on their flashlight. Yeah, it does. And yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Anita, there is a dead animal on a fucking stick. We didn't even bring any weapons. Anita, if you came here, fucking. Look at how dirty we all are.
Anita, let's go. You need to wash your hand. There was a fucking animal dead on a stick. Sticking up. There's a person coming, and I would hurry the fuck up. What if they're taking a video? My hands are completely dirty, so are my jeans. Because we had to crawl on the floor. Anita, there's someone coming. I think I just shut the fuck up. This is a bad idea, and I know it. I am. I'm taking a video. This is going on YouTube, and I swear to God. I am.
Shit, my jacket's ripping. Get it off.
It doesn't matter, Anita. Someone's taking a video. Someone's taking a video.
God, Anita, help me.
You
Grab the fucking computer.
Oh my god.
just crawl through, Kayla. It was only a dead animal on a stick. Even though I might have nightmares of this for many nights because I just saw I did it. What kind of animal was that?
It hurts like hell.
Yeah, grab your computer and let's go home. I'm recording.
Oh my god. What the hell was that? What? Okay.
Wait, did somebody just go in there and put an
fucking
animal on?
sacrifice an animal or some shit?
Wait, did you get that on video so they don't
Yeah.
think we're lying
Yeah,
or
I
some
got that on
shit?
video. I could. All I could.
The smell. That's why I left.
All I kept thinking
Was the
of,
smell?
Why? You
Yeah,
didn't need
that's why we're
Anita,
getting
when you
somewhere
saw
and
that
you're
door,
washing
why'd
your
you leave?
hands.
What was it? What was over there?
A fucking raccoon or something. I don't even know.
Why is
You
there so
heard
many
something?
fucking...
You heard something?
Why was there so much dead
That's
animals?
why like I fucking ran.
If I did something behind us.
If I didn't run, or if I didn't hear something, then I wouldn't have ran. I was gonna fucking go all the way upstairs.
It was too dark in there and we couldn't see shit, so...
Oh my god.
Maybe next time we bring a flashlight, or
And
maybe
maybe
next
a
time
weapon or
doesn't
some
even
shit.
exist.
Maybe like a handgun or a knife.
Not a handgun. If somebody heard a gunshot, they would fucking...
But we
I don't think they'd
I
be
heard
very
three.
excited about it.
Patience, you have to come
I'm a mess. I wonder what people are gonna think. We're all a mess.
Yeah.
I'd rather
Somebody
be a
was
mess.
standing back. And like they were just standing there.
Who?
I don't know, but there was just someone all in black and they were just standing there.
Hell Wait, inside the building?
No.
Behind
If
us.
they were inside that goddamn building,
Behind
I would have
us.
hung myself like that raccoon did.
What animal was that?
I think it was a raccoon, but it looked bigger than a raccoon.
Yeah, it did.
You got that on video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Hang on, we're just gonna finish this YouTube video and I'll edit it when we get home. My ass is cold.
Wait, can't look at video of this.
I wish we got
Phone.
farther in,
Me too,
but that was fucking.
I
Wait,
can't.
so what was that place? They used to make hospital supplies. Don't you have the keys to a bunch of fucking rooms?
Yeah.
Should bring them next time.
Dude, next time we should literally all get prepared.
Yeah.
But something was on in there. That's weird. Because something was buzzing.
Down though.
Yeah.
Shut down, but like.
Where are the people? My toe is like frozen.
I want to go there again, but like
Next time we should prepare.
not so cold. It was too cold
Yeah,
in there.
it's too cold.
Wait till
Summertime.
summer.
But there was power in there. Something was on, and my hand fucking
Weird. It
hurts.
was a light bulb. It wasn't a light. It was a light bulb. One of the clicky ones. You pull down on it, which
Fuck.
is weird. Which means somebody was in there while we were in there. And why the fuck could they do that? That's insane. To an animal? How do you just pick up an animal and put it on a fucking stick? That's like you have to be
Who could have
insane.
done that though? Like, it must have been for some fucking. Nope. We can pretend.
No, what if somebody like stabbed it and then stuck it in there?
Yeah.
Because you can't just lift up a goddamn animal and stick it on a fucking stick. The fuck are you looking at?
Holy shit.
What?
I think, you know how you saw that guy in black?
Yeah?
I don't know if it's like a tree or some shit, but I think I can see a guy in
you're
all black
just-
behind the fence where
You're
we got out.
paranoid. You're paranoid. He might have been waiting to go in there.
Or
Because
maybe
there was
he was
a.
waiting to kill us, 4 innocent girls, rape us, and
Yeah.
think about
Uh huh.
think about it.
Yup.
We are 4 innocent.
Yeah.
Shut up. I'm not dealing with this. That hurt.
My fucking toe. I cannot feel my toe.
Your toe is not that important. You don't need your toe.
Fell on glass and cut my
I know.
Let's go inside the closest building that we can like go.
Yes, Anita
Yes.
is washing her goddamn
Oh,
hand.
I thought you meant like go.
Let's go back to Brubaker.
That's too far.
Too far. We can't just walk into too much of a random building.
Like
What about the grocery store? What about the grocery store?
YOLO. YOLO.
YOLO's fucking farther than Brubaker's.
It's right there. Just fucking look. My hand is not stopped
Let
leaking.
me see.
Oh, well, maybe you shouldn't have been playing with glass.
Yeah, you can't suck on it.
Oh my god. Got that orange sign.
We should have filmed it more inside the building because I feel like we didn't get enough inside. Did you get the animal at least?
Yeah, I got the animal. I got where we went. Look, guys, I'm sorry that we didn't get enough, but we.
fine.
But we literally spent like maybe 5 or 2 minutes in there because
Yeah.
Anita saw
What I
something.
filmed is what we were, how long we were in there.
It's scary in there.
Yeah, our safety's more important to that YouTube video anyways.
Yeah, but like next time we're
And we
gonna,
couldn't
like,
really film us getting in and out. Did you
Yeah.
get us in?
I got you and Patience in.
Yeah, that's the same way we got out, and it was kind of hard to hold something
Yeah,
and
and
Did that
it
at
was
the
really
same time.
difficult because like next time when it's warmer,
yeah.
we can prepare more.
Better not when I'm.
My hands are freezing.
My
My hands are very red,
my fucking toe.
mostly because of crawling on the ground.
Yeah, we literally crawled under.
Bro, there has to be a better way to get in that place.
There has to.
Because we literally,
Through a window. Look through these back.
yeah,
Wait, just finish off the YouTube video.
yeah, I have
you
it
can
in my
post
hand.
it.
Video of us walking and talking.
Yeah,
But
explaining
listen,
what happened.
that could be the trailer for the next time we go in.
Right.
That's
All right, we want to stop it now.
All right. Yeah. So that was
like,
basically it.
Yeah, like and subscribe or whatever you do. So we're going in.
To click
Oh,
of
wait,
the
Summer.
button.
It was